Here's a question that sounds simple and really is not. When you bring on a vendor, which legal company are you actually assessing? Large organizations carry dozens of similarly named entities. And if you anchor your assessment to the wrong one, everything you do afterward describes the wrong company. So we click one button called Find LEI. A few seconds later, the record has its answer. The agent matches this vendor to the official global registry and brings back the legal entity identifier and the exact registered name, and whether that registration still stands, and where the entity is legally based. All of it comes straight from the registry that governments and regulators rely on, rather than from anyone's best guess. Then, it shows you the receipts. The match is anchored to the company's own registered address and linked straight back to the registry record it came from, with the status confirmed as issued. This is not a name that simply looked close enough. It is a verified tie to one specific legal entity. Then a second agent asks who actually owns this vendor and climbs the ownership tree toward the parent company. Here, the registry could not confirm the parent in this session. So, rather than write a widely reported owner down as fact, the agent says, "Not found," and hands you the precise next check to run. It would rather be honest than confident. Every one of these fields is locked as read-only, so nobody can quietly type over a registry fact, and each one carries a timestamp. Anytime you want to recheck the ownership or the status, you simply run it again, and it revalidates against the source. That is the Entity Verifier.